Hey guys, well, it was a little bit of a complicated day, but after all, managed to end the day with $217 profit across the evaluation accounts. I had winners, I had losses, but let me show you what happened in the London session, and I'm going to talk about a little bit of the future at the end, and how we're going to go on from next week. So, what I did is actually got short early in the London session after the kill zone started, and my trade was right here, and my take profit was down there to take out, to go down to that 1 hour fair value gap. It was looking very good, as you see right here. The trade went into a nice profit dot, but then reversed on me. And actually, I closed it manually here, but it eventually would have taken me out. So that was negative 1R. And this trade was looking good. It was about 1.5R because I closed it as well manually. But at least I got everything back to a little bit of profit here. So that was also on live on the London session. And after that, as we were talking about it, it eventually went down. Nasdaq went down and took out that 1 hour gap. Now, the New York session is actually catastrophic. So it really is. And everything is just ranging since 9:30. Look at this. This is like untradeable price action. I think it's because Friday Powell was speaking. But what I did on crude oil is a very tiny small position I've put on, and I managed to make a little. I did not hold this all the way down at the end. I think I closed it somewhere here manually, but a little bit of profit. I think it was like $40 or something per account, so really small. And actually, I do like how crude oil. This was the first trade I took with micro crude oil, but it was okay overall. The accounts are getting better and better. Let me start with the my funded futures account. Is 52,317, is up $63 right now. The Bulenox account is up $87. This one up to 52,787, getting close to being funded. And the other Bulenox account is up to 52,777, which made $67. So overall, $217. It's not bad for a Friday, especially for a difficult session, including losses and uncertainty. But maybe I could have done better. I'm looking forward to reach funded with at least the Bulenox accounts. And until April the 6th, there is a chance for everyone who is using my funded futures to get funded without activation fee. So keep that in mind. It's about 2 weeks from next week as well. So we have 2 weeks to do that. I know we have the holidays coming, but if you buy a my funded futures account, a starter, which is also technically just as good as the other, the expert, if you're not trading big size, then you can skip the activation fee if you can do it until the 6th of April. So that is very good. On the other hand, I'm looking to start with more evaluation accounts on Apex from next week. So they still have the 80% down discount, and I want to scale this back up to 6 accounts as originally was before I blown those accounts by mistake, partially by mistake, technical error, and partially by my own mistake. But I'm really looking forward to next week, and I want to thank everyone who used my code so far and my links. Grab your discounts. Everything is still looking very bright, very good, and yeah, more content to come, guys. Thank you. We're continuing on this journey, and see you guys on the London stream. Cheers.